Well, here's day 41. I don't even like saying that anymore, but it's still cold. This weather just won't stop. What's the temperature right now?
It's minus 25 degrees outside.
What's the wind chill?
The wind chill is currently minus 31 degrees.
I'm actually making that sound colder than it is. What's the wind chill in Fahrenheit?
The wind chill is currently minus 23 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's only minus 23. So I guess I'll finish this side and then I just gotta go finish the other side. Some of you are asking how I'm gonna get down after I put my last sheet on. Well, I'm gonna find a spot like this where there's no joint above it. See, there's a joint here. There's no joint here, here, or at the bottom, here or here. So I snapped a line there. I'm gonna cut that off and pop that sheet out. And then I can get right in through there. Then I'll leave this piece for the roofer to nail back up. Except I'll nail a block in the top and the bottom so he has something to nail it to there. Now I have to go down and get some more sheets, but I can bring them straight up through here now. I didn't nail this 1x4 strapping in here yet. It's just sitting here because I knew I was going to be taking my sheets up through here later. Well, it's a long walk all the way to go get a sheet, carry it across there, around the side of the house, through the front door, up the stairs, and into that front room. But now I'll cut it right here and then take it up and put it in. I only need like 2 more, so it's not too bad. So to cut this sheet, the top of it, my measurement was 80 1/4. So I took off 40 inches and that left me with 40 1/4. So I marked it to there. That gave me that line. Now I'll snap that across and that'll be my valley cut. Now you just want to make sure you grab your right piece, because this piece will almost look the same, but it won't be. It'll be a little, this is kind of obvious that it's that one, but sometimes it's a lot closer and that piece will look a lot like this, so you got to make sure you grab the right one. Does anyone notice my saw? Notice how it's a DeWalt saw with a Milwaukee blade? That's proof that I'm not being sponsored by DeWalt or anybody else. I'm gonna keep doing that, put the Milwaukee blade in there. And I don't even want to be sponsored by DeWalt. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on the tools, no matter what. They can pay me all their money they want, but if the tools don't work, you're gonna see that. I can't bullshit nobody here. This saw has worked great so far, but that gun hasn't. My pass load gun usually works pretty good, but when it's this cold, it needs to warm up or it doesn't last 5 minutes. And it's not just the fuel cells, the whole gun needs to warm up. But it's still way better than that DeWalt one. Now I can take this sheet, take it right up there. I'm gonna get some of this snow out of here. A lot of you guys ask me if this snow, isn't all that moisture bad for the wood? Well, there's really no moisture in this snow right now. It's so cold, it's just fluffy and dry. Look, it doesn't even stick to the floor. It just brushes right off. Even if you grabbed a whole handful of it, it's so like dry and fluffy, like it doesn't even stick to my glove. Doesn't even make my hand wet because it doesn't melt. It's just fluffy. You can't even make a snowball out of this kind of snow because it's just too fluffy. It just doesn't stick together. You need wet snow to make good snowballs. So it's not hurting the wood. The wood's frozen solid. It's not soaking in any of that moisture. I got my next sheet cut. The top measurement was 83.5, so the bottom measurement would be 43.5. Now I'll take this sheet up, put it in, and then there's only one more sheet on the bottom. Actually, I can check what it is right now. I just got to measure that bottom. Actually, I know what it is. It was 83.5 on top, so it's 43.5 on the bottom. So the top of the next sheet will be 43.5. Well, did you see the gun go there? You know what the worst part about that was? I tried so hard not to throw that off the roof, and then it just falls off the roof. I would have took such joy in that. But let's go pick her up, see how she is. Well, let's go get her. Look, they finally put a bin here for me. I had one across this, on the other side of this fence here before. Ooh, back popped open, look at that. Where'd the fuel cell go? The fuel cell, what the hell? Where'd it go? What the kidding me? Where could it have gone? I don't see any holes. What the hell? The gun looks okay, other than fuel cell disappearing. Oh, I see it now. Landed all the way over here. How? It fell off of there. I think it came down, hit this truss, must have landed over there, but how'd the fuel cell land way over here? Well, I'll just warm it up. I bet you it still works. It actually worked just fine right before I went up there, and in the 2 minutes it took me to climb up there, it froze up on me again. Well, I just nailed all these tow boards on here without a single misfire. I think that drop off the roof was good for it. Look at this. Doesn't miss. Maybe I should throw you off the roof more often. Man, I hate putting those bottom sheets in. Only have to do it one more time though. Oh, one more down there. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sheets. I'm running out of green sheets, that's why I had to start with the 3-footer there. But now I'll go with the 5-footer, and then there'll be one more green sheet will work for this piece and then the bottom piece. But I still have to cut that bottom off. Now I can cut this one off. I got the line. See, I can get any sheet up there by myself. I just gotta lift it up, put it on there, stick the top up there till it rests on there. And it'll stay there till I can go up and grab it. Now the last sheet. I'm not 100% done up here, but that's all the sheets, every last one of them. See how it looks from down here. There's the front. There's the side. Well, there's my roof all done. Those 3 crews still don't have a truss up. That crew still has to frame their roof. Took me 41 days to get to this point, but I think it's time for about 41 beers.